I heard the birds squawking. I knew it was a eagle or something up there. There it is. Look at it. Can't get no closer. Wow. Oh, look. Oh, look. Trying to get it away from their nest. There it is. I had my dog out here. I had to run it inside. That thing is no joke. It is huge. It was in my yard a little while ago, and it was like on the side of the house, and when it flew, the wingspan was humongous. OMG. That thing is huge. Now it's near another bird's nest. They squawking, trying to get it away from their nest. Y'all hear it? Look. Ooh. Let's get ready to take off. Ooh.